Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone is up to date because behavior changed around iOS 16. Once done, understand that the hidden album relies on your device authentication, Face ID, Touch ID, or the device passcode. Now open Settings and go straight to Face ID and passcode or Touch ID and passcode on older iPhones. Authenticate. Make sure you remember your current passcode because you'll change it in the next steps. You now change the actual credential that locks hidden items. In Face ID and passcode, tap Change Passcode and enter your old passcode, then set a new one. Use a strong, memorable code. Once changed, go to Settings, Photos, and toggle Use Face ID or use Touch ID for the hidden album, or toggle Hidden Album Visibility to hide it entirely. This links the new passcode or biometrics to the hidden album, so make sure the toggles reflect your preference. Finish by testing access. Open Photos and confirm the hidden album requires your new passcode or Face ID. If it opens without prompt, revisit Settings, Photos and re-enable the biometric toggle, then reboot. If you're locked out because you forgot the device passcode, use your Apple ID and device recovery flow. Don't factory reset without a backup. And to avoid data loss, make sure iCloud Photos or a secure notes backup holds copies before making further changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.